Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is going to be a hair video. You guys know I usually don't do mini hair videos, but since you guys liked the last one, I figured I'd just do this one. My hair is freshly washed. I just kind of did like a little quick wash routine since I just washed it on Friday. So I'm using the Marc Anthony Coconut Curls Cream. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years whenever I do have my natural hair out, and it's never done me wrong. It makes my hair super soft, super silky, and it's a nice cream, so it doesn't feel like hard or anything like that. So I'm putting it in the front and the back sections of both sides of my hair, and I'm just going to smooth it all the way through. My hair is previously detangled. I usually detangle my hair while I'm in the shower. It's just easier when it's like completely wet to detangle. So I detangle in the shower with my, I use the, it's a coconut co-wash by Eve, I think, or something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head, and I've been using it for years and I can't even remember it. But I use that to co-wash after I use shampoo on the ends of my hair because I used some kinky curly curling custard, so it was like it had a lot of flakes. So I use that, and I usually detangle, and right now you'll just see me running my hands through my hair just so that way it's also detangled, so I finger detangle as well. And this is my hair. It's growing. It's really growing, especially since I started taking prenatal pills, so I'm really appreciative of that. Now I'm taking a rat tail comb, and you can see my gray hairs peeking through. Oh my gosh. But I am just going to part right down the middle. I'm not going to go all the way to the back, but I am going to take the part pretty far back, and that is going to be the part that I create for my low sleek ponytail. You can part to the side or whatever you want to do. It's pretty standard for any type of ponytail. So I'm gonna take the first two, like 1/4 of my hair, the front 1/4 I should say of my hair, and I'm just gonna clip it to one side and also clip it to the other side. Those are the sides that I'm going to do later because my hair is pretty thick. It's not gonna lay as flat and as like sleek if I did not do it this way. So if you have really thick hair, please do it like this. It will make a world of a difference. So after I put both of those to the side, I'm going to just take a bristle brush. This is just a short-handled bristle brush from like my local beauty supply store. It's actually pretty hard. I like a hard bristle brush, and then I ended up losing it in my hair. And then I just am going to brush it all the way back. I'm not going to put any gel on this or anything like that because I don't like a buildup of cream on my hair. I like to keep it kind of, the least amount of product the better for me. So I am using a little ponytail holder. I think it's like a scrunchy ponytail holder. It's like one of the for thick hair ones, and I just put that back half into the ponytail, and then I'm going to do the front half and also use some gel actually. So I'm using the Salon Pro Moroccan Argan Maximum Hold Gel. I hate when people say jail. Sometimes I say gel, and I'm going to put that along my edges. I do apply a good bit, and then I'm going to use the same bristle brush and just brush that back. I'm also going to put some on the other side. This gel just really holds my edges, and I found that my edges don't flake if I apply gel underneath. So when I do my edges, which isn't very often because I don't think it's like extremely important to do your edges, but when I do my edges, I apply gel first always, and then I go in with the edge control. I feel like that just works the best. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one side and then do the other side, and I'm going to pull it all the way back into the same ponytail holder that I already have secured on my head. So pretty much the hair that I'm putting over the top of the ponytail, I hope I'm explaining it right. I'm going to take another ponytail holder and secure this hair over the ponytail that we have already created. Now I'm just going through and brushing all of my hair, making sure there aren't any lumps or bumps or anything like that, making sure it's super sleek, and also all the hair is brushed to the back and it's gelled down because I didn't want any flyaways or anything like that. So like I said, I'm just using another ponytail holder, going over the top of the old ponytail holder with the back half of the hair, and just secure that. And after that, that's the ponytail. That's pretty much the bulk of the ponytail. You could be done right here if you want. I'm just taking a paddle brush. This is a wet, wavy paddle brush, and I'm just going to use this to brush out my hair a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit more gel, rub it in between my fingers, and then take this on the ends of the hair. So that way there's a little bit of gel. It's not going to be as puffy. It's also going to give a little bit of curls to the curls. It would be really cute if you wore this overnight and you put like a flexi rod or a perm rod or something like that. But now I'm using the Crown Me Coil Care Edge Control. I love this stuff. I found it on Facebook one day and I ordered it, and I've been using it for probably like, I don't know, 6 months to a year maybe, because like I said, I don't use a lot of edge control, but this stuff lasts. So if I were to tie up my hair tonight and use it, or like take it down tomorrow, my edges would still be swooped, everything would still be really nice. I'm using this edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. Two sides have a comb, one side has a brush, and one side has like a swoop part. I'm also taking like a little piece of my edges down by my ear just to add a little bit of something different, just a little swoop, a little curl on the end. It's just super cute. So I'm gonna roll it around in my finger and then just kind of leave it be, and eventually it'll curl up. But I'm also going to do the same thing on the other side with my edges. Now that I'm done swooping my edges, I'm going to tie it down while I do my makeup and everything. I just feel like this really makes or breaks your edges, because personally my hair is pretty coily, curly. So if I don't tie my hair up, it will not look as sleek, it won't look as clean, it won't look as crisp, I guess you could say, without this. So I always tie up my hair before I do my makeup, so that way while I'm doing my makeup, while the 30 minutes to an hour it takes me to do my makeup, my edges are being laid by my headscarf. So after that, I'm pretty much done. That's pretty much the ponytail, but I do take it down after I get done doing my face makeup and everything like that. While I'm doing my face makeup, I do push it back a little bit, because you may get like those lines from it being on your skin, and you don't really want that. So after that, like I said, that pretty much wraps up the hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.